We have to crucify our sinful nature. Hatred and impatient are sinful nature. Angry, you are mad, it means these are sinful nature. That's why, Paul asks us, when you become a born-again person, you bear it. You crucify all those sinful nature and you come out with a new life. It means you cannot get angry anymore. You cannot be mad. You cannot be, impatient. Right? Paul is telling us a very practical way of true Christian lifestyle, and we need to die to self. Why Jesus died on the cross? Okay, let me explain this. This is very important. All the sin were put on the shoulder of Christ, on the head of Christ. Actually, Christ can rescue himself. Even thousands of angels can rescue him in a minute, in a second. But why he should die? Because all the sinful nature must be crucified, right? Crucified, so that he can come back to new life, a divine nature, so that all the world, all the people can set free. That's the idea. The same thing in our life. We are just imitating this crucifixion. It means when we become a Christian, we crucify our sinful nature in the water or in the world. And when we come back, we become a new person, a new creature. Then, whatever people talk about you, and you can smile now. You can smile. Remember, if you cannot smile, you didn't bury something else. You didn't bury something else. If you are still mad, it means you didn't bury madness. If you are still impatient, it means you didn't bury impatient. If you are a very angry person, then you didn't bury angry. It means, what we need to do is bury every sinful nature in the world, in the water, in the tomb. Then you come back with a new person. Now you are what? You are a new person in Christ. Christ was raised from the tomb with a new person, a new, divine nature. Now the divine the Spirit will come and dwell in you. That's when you are not the one who will produce the fruit. The Spirit will produce the fruit itself, right? How can you produce love? Because you are not love. A mango tree cannot produce strawberry. That's what the Bible says. The grapevine cannot produce tomato. The same thing, if you are a sinful person, if you still possess a sinful nature, how can you produce love? That's why we have to bury everything and just receive the divine nature so that it can produce the fruit of the Spirit. Without the Spirit, without indwelling Spirit, we cannot produce a good fruit today.